Good morning, children. I am Ruchika, your English teacher. I am teaching you models. In my previous video, I explained may, can, and could, in which you learned that may is polite, can is informal, and could is more polite than may. I hope that was clear. Children, in this lesson we focus on can and could. Can and could also used for ability. Today you will learn about can, could and be able to. The idea of ability is expressed by can. In this sense, can means be able to, be capable of, know how to. Ability in the past is expressed by could. Can and could also suggest opportunity. It's about can now. Can is used for the ability in the present. If you talk about general ability in the present, then use can. Sometimes there isn't a form of can and we need to use the verb be able to. In other forms, can or could and be able to generally have the same meaning, unless you are talking about abilities in the past. Could and be able to are sometimes different. We use could to talk about general abilities in the past, while if you want to talk about a specific ability at a specific time, you need to use be able to. Now see the difference of can, could or be able to through these examples. She can speak Spanish very well. She is able to speak Spanish very well. I could run much faster when I was younger. I was able to run much faster when I was younger. In many cases, generally, if you have a choice, it's better to use can or could because it makes your sentence simpler and shorter. Be able to is sometimes used instead of can or could because it sounds more formal. Now what you have learned in this lesson, let's review. You can use can or could to talk about abilities in the past, present or future. Can, could and be able to usually have the same meaning. In the past, could and was were able to are sometimes different if you are talking about a specific situation and the sentence is positive. You can only use was were able to. That's the end of this lesson. Children, do exercise number 2 given on page number 80 in your English grammar book.